we need plastic container, 2 old speakers which will be like this. We need to cut this plastic for our speakers. We'll cut it. So we had made a hole. Now we'll screw them. So we have screwed it. This is PM8403 module audio amplifier. This is input of 5 volt. This is left, right, and this is neutral. And these both are speaker outputs. This is Bluetooth module. GND means it is negative. VCC means it is positive. And L out is left. This is right. And this is neutral. Now connections will be this 3 to this 3 and this both will do connections. So connections are done. This is left of our PM8403 module, which is connected with left of Bluetooth module. This is neutral, this is neutral, and this is right, this is right. This is positive and this is positive. This is negative and negative. These are input, DC input. These both are outputs for our speakers. We'll connect it. Connections are completed. These both wires will go to our positive and negative of battery. We are using lithium battery. Check the sound. This is the positive. Here checked. This is working. Now we'll connect the battery. This is power bank module. These are 4 LEDs which will indicate our battery level. This is small switch, and this is micro USB port, and this is charging port. So connections are everything done. We have connected to power bank also. Now this both will go to switch, because when we on the switch, the speakers will on. You can hear it. Now we'll keep hot glue gum for everything. So we kept a hot glue gum. We'll make holes for our USB port and charging port and our switch. We'll make. So now we have to connect this switch. This both wires we have to connect to switch. Now this is fixed. Now it's time for testing. I'm on the switch. So I'm on the Bluetooth. It came 3.0 BT. We'll connect it. You hear the sound.
connected.
It came connected, and this is connected. I'm on the video of our channel. We need small old wooden box. This is heater element.
Like a Hellcat.